Hi, my name is Kurt Aspland and this is my studio. Well, today we've got a great little drawing for you. It's a forest mailbox that you might find in the middle of the woods someplace. Perfect place for you to deliver a piece of mail to one of your favorite woodland characters. Anyways, it should be a lot of fun. Join me in the studio and let's get to drawing. All right, let's draw our forest mailbox. First thing I like to do oftentimes is to just put in some general shapes. Sometimes we might call this a gesture drawing, kind of to establish where things might go. Once I get my shapes in place, now I start thinking of construction. So I'm going to, the shape of this mailbox is a large cube or an elongated cube like a rectangle. And as you've seen, I've drew my base, I've drawn the front end and the back end, so it has a 3D quality to it. Next thing I'm going to do is draw the trunk that this is built upon, and you can see that it's a main one with a smaller branch coming up the side. And here I'm just roughly putting in some root systems, drawn really lightly.
Whoa, hey, if you're liking this video, make sure you subscribe right now below so I can keep making more. You got this.
Now we're putting in the front handle, starting to think a little bit more of detail here. Some cracks in the bark or the outside part of the mailbox. Adding some surface lines to the trunk and the small branch really gives a sense of dimension to especially the round objects. So it's constantly just very slowly bringing the whole thing up until I'm ready to start to put in some darker lines. So I've dropped in my hinges, getting the front door of my mailbox in. I'm thinking of the thickness of the bark or the wood on the outside. Cracks to give it a real natural feeling. Now instead of a flag, I think I'm going to put in a leaf. When I am using surface lines, I try and make sure they're not evenly spaced. I don't want them to be that way. I want them to be separated a little bit. Thinking of overlap when I'm adding these roots, that one root is in front of another. Adding some grasses now to help establish a ground plane. A couple more details of possible mushrooms. And that's it. Most of the rest of this is mere decoration to help really establish and define what it is that we're looking at, to make it look interesting. Yes, the extra details will help define the story of what it is that we are drawing. So that brings us to the end of drawing our forest mailbox. I hope you liked it. I sure enjoyed drawing it and showing you how to do it. And we will see you next time. All right. Have a great day. Bye-bye.